Hi guys, today is experiment day. I'm going to be using 4 colours, Jackson's Phthalo Turquoise, Pebeo Iridescent Gold, Liquitex Magenta and Arteza Pearl Sapphire. Normally I put Liquitex pouring medium into all my paints before I pour them. But I've been very inspired by the paintings that Rinska Dauna does and the vibrancy of the colour that she gets using just high pigmented paints and water. So that's what I'm going to do today. So in these cups is only the paint and water, and it will be very interesting to see what happens. I'm going to be pouring on a 30 centimetre square canvas with wet white as normal. So I'll start with the Jackson Art Turquoise. Followed by the magenta. And then the pearl sapphire. And finally, the gold. Surround it with white. Just check for air bubbles. And there's a few in the white. And then blow the white over the colour. And blow it out. And I think I might stop there with the air dryer and not blow any more. There's a lot of paint on this canvas. But the colours are very vibrant. let me bring you in for a close-up. There's lots of interesting things going on in this painting, especially here in the centre where the cells and the colours are popping up all over the place. The colours around the edges of the centre are varied and bright and vibrant. And the gold in the centre is there, but it's not really showing through strongly. It may come through stronger as it dries. What I'm not sure about is whether not using the Liquitex pouring medium made any difference whatsoever. There's no visible sign of the paint thinning or stretching or splitting. But I think the only way to tell is to do another painting with the same colours and try and recreate exactly the same scenario but using the pouring medium, and then compare the two finished products. It's always an exercise in trying to work out what's going on. And the painting did dry beautifully, and the gold in fact came through really strongly as it dried, so I'm more than happy with this painting. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel and click like.